You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning how do you say it. Luisa, Luisa. It is common in Spanish in particular, and said virtually the same way in Spanish, Luisa, Luisa. So in English, same thing, Luisa. And now you know, and there might be some languages where it said Luisa, like in French, but generally Luisa. And now you know, more videos for you here on how to pronounce more confusing names. Thanks for watching, and give this video a little like if you found it useful. It helps me a lot. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.